Inilabas na ang pinal na ulat ng Foreign Interference Inquiry Martes. Ang nilalaman nito at kung ano ang maaring epekto sa Filipino community sa Canada sa report ni Teresa Redula.
I think the Filipino-Canadian community should be aware of it because it's a real threat to Canadian democracy.
Nananatili raw matatag ang democratic institutions ng Canada sa gitna ng lumalaking banta ng pangingialam sa halalan. Ito ayon sa final report ng public inquiry na tinututukan ang mga alegasyon ng foreign interference.
Although there are a very small number of situations where foreign interference may have had some impact on the outcome of a nomination contest or the result of an election in a given riding, foreign interference did not impact the outcome of the last two general elections.
Inilunsad ang inquiry noong September 2023. Ayon sa Commissioner, walang anumang ebidensya na mayroong traidor sa Parliament matapos inimungkahi ng National Security and Intelligence Committee of Parliamentarians noong Hunyo na ilang members of Parliament ang nakipagtulungan sa foreign states, sinadya man o hindi.
While I saw evidence of some concerning behavior, the evidence does not show any MPs plotting with foreign states against Canada's interest.
Aniya ang pag-aalarmang idinulot ng NSICOP report. Nagpapakita raw sa kakulangan ng kaalaman ng Canadians tungkol sa mga issue ng intelligence at national security. Kakulangan sa kaalaman na isinisisi niya sa Ottawa. Ayon sa report, naging mabagal din daw ang pagkilos ng federal government at kulang ang koordinasyon at bigayan ng impormasyon sa pagitan ng mga kagawaran at ahensya. Pinakamalaking banta rin daw sa demokrasya ang disinformation. Lalo't limitado ang pwedeng gawin para labanan ito.
We need to make sure that citizens get to make their own choices in their democracies.
Si Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, idiniin ang kahalagahan ng paglaban sa anyay messages of hate na negatibong nakakaapekto sa komunidad.
It is incumbent upon governments and citizens to be vigilant and to push back against messages that are designed to divide them.
Para kay Nokos, mahalagang pagtuunan ng pansin ng mga Pilipino sa Canada ang issue ng foreign interference dahil nararanasan na raw ang epekto nito ng ibang migrant communities.
In other immigrant communities in Canada, they've experienced violent actions such as assassinations, real intimidation that the Philippine Canadian community can also face when participating in Canadian democracy if the popular choice, for instance, runs against the agenda of a foreign government. A concern, although I do have, however, is that the conflation of state interference with immigrant communities could further accelerate the growing racist and xenophobic attitudes we're all experiencing and seeing towards new immigrants.
Sa pahayag ng Ottawa, sinabing maingat nilang pag-aaralan ang resulta at rekomendasyon ng final report at patuloy na patatatagin ang depensa ng Canada laban sa foreign interference. Teresa Redula, Omni News, Toronto.